Ama naming makapangyarihan, pusang loob ka nagmahal sa amin, kaya sinugo mo ang iyong anak, upang kaming nasadlak sa paninilansala ay mabigyan ng daya. Sa tanda ng krus na banalo, bin mo ng mga batang bibinyagan, ay maging malaya sa pagkaalipin na bunga ng pagsuway ng nilikha mong unang tao. Ito ang tandaan ninyo. Ang sino mang hindi tumatanggap sa paghahari ng Diyos tulad ng isang maliit na bata, ay hindi mapapabilang sa mga pinaghaharian niya.
God gave us Ali without any what do you call this, indifferences. Pinanganak po siyang kompleto, malusog, at pinanganak po siyang walang sakit o kung ano man. So napaka-grateful namin kay Lord because I asked for a baby girl and then God gave us a baby girl. Grateful that our second baby, Baby Ali, has finally come to this existence. Grateful kami ni Mrs. kasi we thought that si Binsi lang at wala nang iba.
Hi! Ayun. So, sobrang happy kasi actually hindi namin na-expect si Ali. Kasi 6 years old na to, magsa 7 this year. O, di ba? Ngayon pala nag 1 year old niya nasundan. So, very happy kasi at least wata na, di ba? Girl and boy.
All the way of the world, we can just let go. Take my hand, grab the wheel and roll down.
Ali technically is a baby girl na hindi pala iyak.
Si Ali, naku, sobrang bait na bata yan. Wala nga problema yun alagaan eh. Kasi hindi siya iyakin. Alam mo yun, pag matutulog siya, bigyan mo lang ng gatas, tutulog siya mag-isa. Ayun lang, bait na bata. Sana hanggang paglaki, di ba?
Pwedeng iiwan lang sa crib, walang problema. Iiwan mo siya sa crib maghapon.
It's a good life. Yeah, it feels alright. It's a good life.
And first birthday of Bill Ali Emery. On behalf of her loving parents, Angelina and Alvin, thank you all for being here to share this beautiful milestone with their family. Your presence makes this day even more meaningful. Without further ado, let's begin the celebration and create beautiful memories together. Enjoy the program and once again, welcome and a very good noon to all.
Yourself, feel the party rising in your skin. It's time to
Hey Ali, we love you. God bless you, baby.
Happy birthday, Ali Emery!
Happy birthday to brand new day.
Birthday Ali, ang wish ko sana mag-dentistry ka din.
Happy birthday, Ali! I wish you all the best and we love you so much. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ali! God bless you always!
First and foremost, happy birthday to my daughter, Ali Emery. So hopefully you will grow as sweet and as beautiful as you are right now. So hopefully you will grow in good health, away from sickness. Yun lang naman po ang may hiling namin ni Mami na lumaki ka pong maayos tulad ng kuya ko.
It's a brand new day. I know it's gonna be okay.
Sa'yo, good health and more birthdays to come. And support ka namin hanggang paglaki mo kung anong gusto mo. Support ka namin ni Kuya and ni Daddy. And sana always ka lang happy. Dito lang kami sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ali. So I'm really glad that you are out in this world.
Happy birthday, Ali. I love you. You're always here for you.
Okay.
Let's turn it up and let the music play.
Kaya ko si Kuya niya, sabi ko, Vinci, how do you feel? Nag-birthday party si Ali, how do you feel? Happy? Wow! Kasi may party si Ali ganito, no? Happy birthday, Ali! Say happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ali!
Thank you po sa lahat na nagpunta. Kahit na Sunday ngayon, rest day dapat, di ba? Father's Day pa. So, nagabala pa kayong pumunta dito. Thank you! Na-appreciate po namin sobra. Kahit ng init, di ba? Nagstay pa rin kayong lahat.
Thank you po sa lahat ng dumalo. Sa mga tropang NU at sa mga tropang perpetual. Salamat po.